Hey guys, welcome to my channel guys. Today we're talking about a top investment company that I think you should know about. This investment company is called Ziing. Now Ziing is actually a product of Investment One. So the name of the investment company is Investment One, and one of their products is Ziing. So Ziing is an app that is used for savings, for stock trading and investment. So they have lots of opportunities, and I'd like to introduce you to them. They have some investments that you could actually make up to 6% interest per annum, 5% interest per annum, 10% interest per annum, and if you trade the stock and you're good at it, you can make up to 1000% interest per annum. So it all depends on what you want and how you want it to be. I have the app installed already on my phone, so let's go straight to business. So the first thing is you need to download Ziing from Play Store. As you can see, I just left Play Store. So let me log into my account for you to see how Ziing works. It's loading, just give it some time. And before that, I want you to know that I've been using this platform for a very long time. So it's not something that is new, or it's not something that I've not tried before. I've been on it for some time, and it would actually make sense if I show you how it works. So if I searched for customer care at investment1.com, and it's bringing me back to my bond, my federal government savings, and also my investment with Ziing. Although last year I had to withdraw some of the money around December, in short all the funds, so I could invest on a real estate property. So if you scroll down, you'd see that I've been using Ziing since 2018. I think my account was created on the 4th of or the 14th of April 2018. And you can calculate how many years I've been on Ziing yourself. So the first thing remains to log in to the account, and while it's loading, I think my internet is okay, it has opened. But before then, also let's check out, let me do a shout out to someone. This person actually made me do this video tonight, because I was not going to do any video about investment this month, but this person actually challenged me and accused me of fishing out the bad guys that have been scamming people online. So I've been attacking them, and this person said that all platforms you reviewed are scam, so tell us the real platform. And that's it. So if you check my reply, if you check my response, you would see I said, okay, we dropped them this week. Unfortunately, greed is the mother of all losses. People prefer investments with crazy returns, and they really get the crazy returns. Most real financial investments give 14 to 26% per annum, but most people would want such returns per week or per day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get the update. So Abuke556, I hope you have subscribed to this channel, and I'm doing this video for you. So this is Ziing. This is the dashboard. It says, "Hi Israel. Welcome to the dashboard." As you can see, it's €0. But if you check the ZSave, they have lots of investment products. We have ZSave, we have Zplan, mutual funds, fixed income, stock trading, Z-Club, asset-backed loans. So if you check the recent transactions, even my €15 is still giving me interest per month. So you can see this is January 2023, this is February, this is March, and it keeps going. So whatever money you have on this platform, you would make money from them. I'm going to show you the different options you can use to make money from this platform. Number one I have here is ZSave. So ZSave, which is also ZSave, is you can press this question mark button. It talks about what they do here. So it's a hybrid savings account that allows you earn interest on active short-term funds. So if you want to do your savings, instead of saving in the bank and they start debiting you for credit alert, debit you for this and that and that and that till your money become worthless. I think you can try Ziing and use Ziing to start your savings, and you earn interest from it. So imagine earning interest of 6% per annum. So what is the minimum amount investable? It is just 100 naira. So what's stopping you from saving? So if you want to save, you can also make airtime purchases, set an emergency funds, buy settle utility bills and all, and get returns of up to 6% per annum. That means if you have 100,000 naira there, you are most likely going to make 6,000 naira within a year, unlike you investing in a commercial bank where you make little or nothing. Now, another one we have here is Z Plan. For Z Plan, it talks about setting goals and making money from those goals. So if you have maybe your house rent, school fees, you want to travel abroad, instead of putting the money in your commercial bank account, you can use Z Plan, and once your money is deposited in, you are going to make interest rate of 10% per annum. So that means if you had 1 million naira in your Z Plan, you are going to make 100,000 naira in a year. And this is really cool. This is nice. Another thing is, imagine if you are able to save, maybe if you have a plan, a long-term plan, and you're able to save like 2 million naira or 5 million naira on this platform, and every year you are getting interest of 10%, and 10% interest, which is of 5 million naira is 500,000 naira. So you can easily earn 500,000 naira from this investment every year, and it's going to be interesting. In short, a 5 million naira might not really build a 3-bedroom flat, 2-3-bedroom flat for you, but let's imagine that it builds it for you. Most likely, how much will you make per month, and how soon will it take you to make your money back? It's going to take you about 10 years, and beyond that, it is also going to, your return per annum might not still be up to that, because if you live in a place like Ogun State, or your state, Ekiti, Osun State, your return per flat might not be more than how much? Might not be more than, let's say, 120,000 naira per flat. So if you have 2 flats, that's 240,000 naira. So that's how it works. So it depends on what kind of investment you want. They are all good as long as you are not investing your money on a Ponzi scheme. Another thing you should know about is mutual funds. If you don't have mutual funds account as of today, then I don't know what you are doing with your money, because this is really, really important. And most times, I think the minimum is 5,000 naira. I once did it. Yeah, it's Abacus fund. So I said, what is Abacus money market about? So it's a money market. The Abacus money market is an open-ended unit trust scheme, particularly suited for investors seeking for preservation of capital and short-term return. So if you have a certain amount of money, maybe 1 million, 500,000, 100,000, Abacus is the way to go, and you get your interest per annum. So they said, what is the interest rate of money market? So it varies. It can go up, it can come down. But from my experience, you are making between 14% to 16% per annum for mutual fund. But it can always go up and come down. But the worst case I think I've ever experienced is 6% per annum. So it all depends on what you want. So if you have not invested on Ziing, I think you should go and download the app right now. But beyond that, before you go, let's also check out this fixed income. So this is also equal to something like a fixed deposit that we have in the banks. So what is fixed income? They said interest rate not fixed. Your minimum is 100,000 naira, but you can monitor interest accrual on your investment. They said fixed income is an investment instrument. This allows you to fix lump sums away for extended periods at predefined exchange rate. So once you invest on this fixed income, your interest is not really determined. But you will definitely make money. And from my experience with fixed income, you make between 6% to like 20%, sometimes 26%. It depends on how much the organization actually makes in return. Well, one thing I must say before I forget is the fact that Investment One is backed by Guarantee Trust Bank. Guarantee Trust Holdings. Yes, GTB. So GTB is a major investor in Investment One. In short, they bought Investment One some years back, and now they manage Investment One. So if you're investing in Investment One, which owns Ziing, you automatically become a stakeholder in GTB also, and your funds are secured because GTB is managed by CBN. That means they are operating with license, so no one is going to run away with your money. Your money is safe. You can do your transactions, you can pay bills, and also make money from this app. So we also have the stock trading. So if you are passionate about investing on stocks, then this is also the best app you can use. Not just because it's supported by GTB, but also because they have lots of options and it is very clear. It is registered by Nigeria Stock Exchange, so you can buy a stock through them. If you know about stock, you can cancel your trade anytime. And they said, yes, can I cancel my trade? He said yes. However, trades can only be cancelled from 4 p.m. to 7 a.m. on working days. Can I withdraw immediately after a sale so you can sell your trade? He said no, you will only be able to withdraw funds 3 working days after a sale was made. So let's call it T+3. So once you make a sale of your stock, you have to wait for 3 days, then you can withdraw your funds. So guys, which other one do we have to talk about? Let's go there. We have the Z Club. Z Club is just all they do is they encourage people to have a good and perfect savings culture. So Z Club is a savings club that aims to promote positive savings habits, incentivize users, and randomly reward consistent savers. So what they do is they reward you. So what's the interest rate for Z Phone? It is actually 5.2% per annum, and it is paid bi-weekly, so twice weekly. So you are getting 5.2% per annum, and you also get, they do what they call draw. So you can be selected and they just give you some money free of charge. Yeah, that's done to actually encourage you to save more. So the more you save, the more you can actually earn. Then the last one, but not the least, is asset-backed loans. These asset-backed loans is just for you to take loans using the assets you have on the platform. So if you want to take loans and you have saved up to like 5 million naira on the platform, then automatically they will calculate how much you can actually apply for. As you can see from what is on the screen, you are not eligible to process a loan. The amount eligible for loan, for a certain loan, is less than minimum amount. So you need at least 50,000 naira to be able to access this feature. If you are watching our video for the very first time, please ensure you subscribe. We are always here to help, and make sure you share this link with your friends to encourage us. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I am endorsing Ziing, I'm endorsing Investment One, I'm endorsing Can Teach Us Bank. I love you so much, and bye for now.